everybody. This is your girl, Legati Beauty. And I just want to say hello. Hi. I'm already done. Yes, I'm not about to teach you nothing in this video. This is actually going to be a getting to know me video. Just a little intro, you know, so you know who you're dealing with. Because honestly, in the video that I was working on, it's currently under construction, just because of the fact, like, just don't come for me, but just because of the fact, iMovie is not playing with me. I'm telling y'all, like, I'm working my ass off to give you something, and this video is just, I don't know, it's just not getting posted. I don't know what's happening, okay? It won't save. I'm trying, but I wanted to give y'all something in the meantime, because people keep asking me about my YouTube. I have not posted anything. It has been constant people hitting me up for 2 years, asking me to make a YouTube channel, post something on my YouTube channel. Look, I should be able to post something, right? So what they gonna do for a video less than 15 minutes? It's gotta save, right? I should be able to post this. So here we are. Thank you, and welcome to my channel. This is your girl, Legati Beauty. That is how you pronounce it correctly. It's Legati Beauty. I originally got my name from my nickname, Gotti Ga. It's a family name, and well, not a family name, but given to me by my family. So, you know, I've been called that my whole life. My real name is Danae on my little nameplate. Yes, my name is Danae, and it's very nice to meet all of you. Hey, it's a family. Hey, we gonna be friends. You know, if you stick around, you know, because I'm gonna be somebody, okay? Watch me. Heed my warning, okay? I am coming for the business world. You feel me? So, yeah. So, anyhow, my name is Danae. My YouTube name originally came from my nickname Gotti, and it's actually a funny story behind that. I'll tell you guys that funny story one day in a video. But my name is Gotti. I'm always called that. That's what I'm known for. You know, it's my name. So that's all I answer to. I don't really like my first name as much as my nickname, because my nickname is more like personal and intimate, and like, you know, it's just the people that are closest to me know me the best. Call me that, and I love it. It just feels so good. It feels nostalgic when I hear it. So going back, the love part, it's actually funny because I am born and raised in LA. I'm from Inglewood. I grew up part of my time in Sacramento as well. So I grew up in Sacramento, I grew up in LA. And it just so happens that the love, everybody thinks is LA Gotti, but I actually kind of put two ideas in one. So I got the love from my middle name, Latasha. And it's, you know, it comes from there, it stems from that. So Legati Beauty, Latasha, Gotti, LA, Gotti. It's completely me. The whole name is me. Oh, y'all like my nails? I'll be doing my own nails, but I'll be picking with it, but they look bomb, don't they? I did them myself. I do my own nails, my own feet, my own makeup, my own hair. I do everything myself, okay? I do some items of clothing as well. I have this really bad need to recreate things. Like, I'll go, say I find a new nail person, I'll go to them for like a couple months, and I'll be like, no, I need to figure out how to save that money. So I'm gonna go buy the kit. And I've been watching you do it. And I'm a visual learner. So if I just watch you do it a couple times, that's it. That's it, baby. I'm good. I got it. I don't need you no more. Thank you. So it's not that I be copying or nothing. That's not what that is. It's just, I know that you can save more money and also add a talent to your belt when you just pay attention to the things that are provided around you. God doesn't just give you things, like, you learn from things too. So why can't I learn from someone and then go give myself that, especially to save some money? I am frugal, okay? I'm frugal. I may look like I'm bad and bougie, but baby, I'm frugal, period. I be trying to save my money, but I suck at saving money, but I also try to get the bang for my buck. That's what I really be at. Trying to get bang for my buck. Okay, that's my song, period. Whew, that give you buck a song when I'm. That's my songs. Yeah, so carrying on. So yeah, I'm 27 years old. I currently live in Long Beach, California. I don't be trying to budge. I'm very stubborn. I'm a Scorpio, straight to it. November 8th, don't forget it, it's 1992. Baby, hey. Yes, I know, another one. I know, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright, it's gonna be good, right? You see, I was trying to point because I just did my nails the other day, so you know. Yeah, another Scorpio. I'm here. Oh, and I'm queer. Yes, I'm a lesbian. So, hi. Hey, LGBT community. Hi. I'm a very humble person. I look mean, I guess, or intimidating to some people, but I'm a really humble person. You'd be surprised. I only got a few friends. Literally. And only one of them calls. I'm just saying. I can't make this up. Scorpios can be social, but for us to call you our friend after the party, it's big. I know. You don't believe me, but you gonna have to. Just like this makeup. Believe it. It's really like this. This is how it really look in real life. You know. I'm just feeling this look I did because I just woke up this morning and just did it. I don't know what was wrong with me, but I'm doing it. And with the little, this is actually my little do-rag. I always put this on like a little Erica, you know, a little Erica Badu, do. Erica Badu, hairdo. Like, I laugh at myself all day, every day, because guess what? Nobody laughs at my jokes. Okay. Growing up, nobody laughed at my jokes. I don't know what's wrong with people. I'm funny. It don't even matter. People only laugh at me when I'm tripping and falling and being clumsy and all over the place. Because I am like all this. Like, you see how much my hands is moving? That's how much I act in real life. But I'm actually like, when I'm at home, I'm really chill. You know, I'm really like all up in my feelings and my emotions, trying to get things right. I'm really just a young millennial, just trying to make it before 30, you know, just like the rest of us. I just want to be a boss. You know, I'm trying to own my own businesses. I don't want a business. I ain't trying to sell no lashes and no hair and no loose glitter, baby. Like, I'm trying to really change my community. My Black community means so much to me. And I know I'm very silent about it, you know, on the face of it. But I'm actually one of those people that just want to implement the change. I just want to create change. I want to show them a different path. And I know it's probably gonna take me a long time to get there, but oh baby, trust. I got some dreams and some goals that I'm not about to put on this video. No, I'm not. But what I will do, as I learn about this YouTube process and become more, what is that word? Educated on it, we'll say. I will be trying to give y'all the tea, because I know as young people, a lot of people be trying to hold all the truth from us and the secrets, and it's like, why? Share the wealth. Money is everywhere. Money's gonna come and money's gonna go. I don't believe in keeping the tricks in the bag. I'm gonna give y'all tea. I'm not gonna give you like, you know, my whole life tea, but you know, I'll give y'all a little story time, because my life has been a roller coaster. It's just the fact that if I bring certain things up, it might stir up a little trouble. But hey, I'm not for no drama, but I just like my peace, you know. So when I give y'all a little story time, it'll be name changes and all kind of stuff like that. But I'm really trying to be more about educating you on the process of makeup, on the process of being a boss, about being a YouTuber, everything that you can learn to be an individual and someone who can really harness their own career, their own lifestyle. If you really woke up today and said, man, I want to be inspired by somebody, and God brought you to this video, hey friend, yeah, point is I'm a humble person, working on my consistency. I'm a millennial, trying to make it in life, but not just trying to make it, but really produce changes in this world. I want to be so dynamic and different. Like, don't let the makeup fool you. Don't let this lip gloss fool you. Don't let the highlights fool you, baby. I'm gonna change this world for black men and women. I'm gonna change this world for children. I'm gonna change this world for women in general. I want people, my people, to have something. I really do. I really hope that in the future, if this channel blows up or goes viral, that I have changed lives in a positive way, and not in a way of, oh, I gotta be a baddie, but in a way of how I think it. You could be a boss and a baddie all at the same time. It's just about which day you're gonna get up and do it. Are you gonna wake up and do it today, or are you gonna do it tomorrow? Me, I'm going through things every day, every second. Today, I was really sad, and I decided to wake up off my nap and go make a YouTube video. I wanted to go to the beach and just chill. I wanted to just be alone today, and I decided, why not talk to my new YouTube family? We gotta think of a name for y'all. Ooh, y'all need a nickname. What about the Legati Guardians? Yeah, the Guardians. Y'all think that's stupid? Stupid. Legati Gumdrops. No? Whatever. Like, I ain't getting no nicknames. I'll straight up call you Pumpkin, cause I don't got time for all that. But, yeah. I don't even know what else to tell y'all about me. My favorite color is glitter. Yeah, I know everybody tells me glitter ain't a color. But guess what? Guess what? Guess what? You ain't gotta eat meat either. Not that I don't eat meat. I eat meat. I ain't no vegan, I ain't no vegetarian. But I'm just saying, if you're a Scorpio, you'll truly get everything I say. If you're a wandering spirit, you'll understand what I say. If you're just closed-minded and you're stuck up your own butt, you'll never understand anything I say. I want to just make somebody laugh. Whether you laughing at me, you laughing with me. I just want to make people laugh. I want people to smile. I want people to feel the opposite of what I feel, which is feel happy. Because everybody deserves to feel happy. And you start to look good while you're doing your stuff, you know? I mean, man, you can go to the grocery store and look like this. Like, I ain't gotta pay somebody $175 to do all this. No, you don't, baby. You can come to Legati Beauty's makeup page, or YouTube makeup page, whatever. You can go look at that makeup guru, cause you know I'm claiming the name. I'm putting my name out there. I'm a makeup guru, baby. But right now I just saying makeup enthusiast, cause I'm humble on it. I can claim it. But you just come on my YouTube channel and you can really come and feel beautiful. You can feel amazing. You can feel like, man, like she just had me to do that in like 30 minutes. Good. That's what I'm working on. Not rambling and just getting straight to the point and teaching y'all just that 1, 2, 3 quick step, you know, to look glamorous. I did this makeup look in less than 2 hours. Usually it takes me 6 hours to do my makeup, or sometimes 3, but it takes me a really long time because I take my time. I did a different process like I used to do, and this look actually worked for me. It's like a really cute, natural look. I ain't good at eyeliner and stuff, so don't expect too much from me, but hey, we're here. So that was just my little intro. I mean, I kind of rambled, but that's kind of me. So that was kind of the best way you can get to know me. I stumble over my words a lot. I stutter sometimes. Sometimes my lips get stuck together because of lipstick and stuff. So I'll be trying to lick them. Sometimes I get licks to my teeth, so I do that. Like, so if I'm like looking awkward or whatever, or I covered up my face, it's just like, I have insecurity issues just like anybody else. And I struggle with mental health every single day, and I'm open about it. I'm 100 about it. I'll have a video on mental health as well. and healthy ways to cope with it, because I'm still learning every day about healthy ways to cope with it, you know. And I have a lot of keynotes that I follow in my own life that my spirit just will not let go of, you know, that help me every day get through days. So we'll talk about different things as this YouTube journey goes, but this was just an interview for you to get to know me, for you to see my silly side, and, you know, me not be serious and be all worried about all the other stuff. And you won't be worrying if where's the welcoming in the video when it finally gets posted. Y'all, I'm trying to save it to my phone. I can only do so much. I'm trying. Now I'm about to have 2 videos on my phone. So I'm trying to hopefully do this one and save it, because it's gonna be shorter. I'm assuming it's gonna be up in a couple of days, hopefully. So we'll see what happens, you know, see if you ever see this video. So thanks for taking the time out to watch me. Please do not hesitate to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I will not hesitate to ask, okay? Do it, because I need it, all right? I'm trying to get monetization and all that. I need it. If you go watch me, you think I'm funny, you think I'm interesting, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow my Instagram, Allegati Beauty. It's the same name as my YouTube channel, baby, okay? But yeah, everybody, have a blessed day. Stay up, eat some hot Cheetos. That sounds really good. I think I'm gonna give me some. All right, y'all. Peace out. Stay up.